In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Feedzy RSS from fetching images from content and storing them into your gallery. So as you can see, I have quite a number of images that are in my gallery, and these have been fetched by this RSS plugin. So let me show you how you can prevent that now. What you need to do is to go, and you can see Feedzy is here. So go to the left menu and locate Feedzy, and then go to your import post option. Now this will list all the feed groups that you have, and you'll have to go and open each and every group that you set to make these changes. So for my case, I only have business and finance. So I'll go ahead and click on it, and this will open up this import editor where you can make several changes that you want. Now what you want to do here is to scroll down until you get to map contents, and then click on the down arrow. Then look for the advanced options, and this is what we are supposed to turn on: external image. So if we go ahead and turn on this, it will allow this tool or Feedzy to use external image URL while ignoring feature post thumbnail. Now if you read here, you are told that this will use the external featured image of the imported article and won't save the image to the media library on your website. So go ahead and toggle on this to put this option on. So once it's on, go ahead and save the changes, and that is done. Now from here, no image will ever be imported into my gallery from this category. So go ahead and configure this setting for all your groups that you set up using Feedzy RSS. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.